Hi guys, welcome back to our DataImpulse channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the key steps to set up Selenium with a proxy in Python. Also, we'll use DataImpulse residential proxies to show you the step-by-step process of integrating them with Selenium. Let's go! Selenium is an open-source tool for web automation developed by Jason Huggins. Combining it with a proxy keeps you private, avoid blocks, and lets you access content from any region. So how do you get started? First of all, make sure you have Python and pip installed. If not, download Python from the official website. Open the pkg file that you downloaded and follow the instructions. Open your terminal or command prompt. If you're on Mac, click the launchpad icon in the dock. Type terminal in the search field, then click terminal. If you're on Windows, type cmd in the run window. In your terminal type Python version or Python 3 version. Pip is usually automatically installed with Python 3.4+. However, it's better to check if pip installed by typing pip version or pip 3 version. Use pip to install the Selenium package. Pip installed Selenium. If you are using Python 3, you may want to use pip 3 to ensure it's installed for Python 3. Pip 3 installed Selenium. Check if installation is complete. After installation, you can verify that Selenium is installed by running pip show Selenium or pip 3 show Selenium. Selenium needs a web driver to interact with browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and others. Go to the official Chrome driver downloads page. Find the link that matches your Chrome version and download the Chrome driver for Mac OS. The file you download will be in zip format. Simply double-click to extract it, and you'll get the Chrome driver executable. For easy access, you should move the Chrome driver file to a directory that's included in your system's path. Common directories include usr local bin or usr bin. Use this command sudo mv downloads home driver usr local bin. If you see no such file or directory error, it generally means that file path in your command is incorrect, or the file doesn't exist at the given location. Then double-check that you're in the right directory and the file name is correct. When you use mv command with sudo to move files to directories like user local bin, Mac OS will ask you to enter your password. This is your user account password. Type it in and press enter. Keep in mind that your password won't show up on the screen as you type. No characters or symbols will appear. To check if Chrome driver is installed correctly, type the following command in the terminal: Chrome driver version. Next, download any text editor, Visual Studio Code in our case. We need to install the WebDriver Manager module. We can install the package using pip. Run the following command in your terminal: pip install WebDriver Manager and pip install Selenium WebDriver Manager. After running the above command, your script should look like this. You'll get similar results with different attributes. Selenium Wire, an extension of Selenium, lets you intercept and analyze network traffic. The Chrome driver doesn't process the username and password automatically, which is why we need a third-party plugin like Selenium Wire. To install Selenium Wire, run this command in your terminal: pip install blinker 1.70 Selenium Wire or pip 3 install blinker 1.7.0 Selenium Wire. For using reliable DataImpulse proxies, you'll need your login, password, address, and port saved in this section of your choosing plan on your DataImpulse dashboard. Let's move to the script. As a result, you'll get a response with your region, means that authentication has been completed successfully. If you want to make your journey easier, follow our tips. Download tools only from official websites and verify their compatibility. Keep your tools updated to benefit from the latest features. Securely manage your login information. Use virtual environments to avoid conflicts. Implement error handling in your scripts. That's it. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and keep in touch with DataImpulse.